Hi, beautiful people. I'm Lou Miller, financial mentor. I help investors turn their wealth into reliable monthly cash flow in just 30 minutes a month. Let's face it, real estate and stocks are the go-to options for many investors, but they come with their own set of headaches. Today, I'm going to show you a smarter, simpler way to generate consistent cash flow without the stress of tenants or without the risk of volatile stock markets. Okay, picture this. You buy a property, invest heavily in renovations, and now you are stuck chasing tenants for rent or dealing with unexpected repairs. Sound familiar? Real estate can tie up a huge amount of capital, and the returns often don't justify the time and effort it takes to manage it. I mean, real estate, it's a good vehicle to make money. I don't do that, but this is my point of view, my experience, okay? I will do for sure in the future, but I don't like, for example, making debts to buy real estate because I'm risk averse. And I don't like to justify myself to making debts, talking with bank employees and who can ask me something, Mr. Lou Miller, we don't understand something. We don't understand these numbers from your company. Can you come here and talk? I don't want to justify anything at all. I know. It's a different point of view. Okay, probably you are not used to this kind of point of view. I will make another video about that. Please consider different point of views, okay? And so I'm not comfortable with that. And for sure, I will do real estate, but I will buy apartments, house, whatever, cash, without any debts. This is my plan. I feel great with this plan, okay, because it fits to me. Probably if you love doing real estate, flipping houses, do Airbnb or whatever, and this is your passion, you have good results, do that. Do what you love. Okay, so this is not a rule for everyone. Do what you love. If you really want real estate, do that. If you have good numbers, good results, do that and scale. Okay, and good luck for that. So my thinkings, and so you can have some idea and different ideas from anyone you can listen out there. I will make another video about the real estate because I have an unpopular idea about that. I will tell you another video. Okay, so real estate can tie up a huge amount of money and could be problems to manage. And what about stocks? Because one day your portfolio looks great, it takes just a tweet or headline and boom, wipes out half your gains. Okay, so if you have a 10,000 portfolio, okay, you can see just few hundreds, nothing bad. But I'm talking especially to investors who have portfolio from 100,000 euro to 500,000. Okay, so if you have 300,000 euro portfolio and just a tweet can make from day to another, you can see a minus 12,000 euro. Okay, it's a long-term portfolio. Okay, we have patience. Okay, we know that the market in the long run gives us the returns. We know everything of this, and this is the logic part. But what are our emotions? What do we feel about that? When you see a minus 12,000 euro from day to another one, what are your emotions? How would you feel? You will be so logic and like a Terminator. Okay, yeah, I know. This is the market. Okay, long run, we will wait. If you do that, congratulations. But in my experience, I don't think so. Because it minus 12,000 euros, just a number, okay, it could be minus 8,000, minus 15,000, doesn't matter. From one day to another can happen, but it's money you work hard for. So nobody wants to lose this kind of money, especially with a tweet, like boom. Okay, so it's stressful, it's unpredictable. And unless you are glued to the market, it feels like gambling with your hard-earned money. And for real estate, if you love this, if you love these roller coasters, if you love and you have good results and you are feeling so well, even if the market crash, and you are so patient and so unemotional from the stock market movements, good for you. Do that. If you love this, do that. If you have good results, continue to do that. Good luck for this. So this is only my experience. Okay, again. So just some numbers. Did you know that nearly 80% of real estate investors report significant stress of managing properties? Yeah, nearly 80%. And here's a wild fact. Over 60% of retail stock investors underperform the market simply because timing is nearly impossible. Timing is nearly impossible. Again, okay, so if you have felt frustrated, and I felt that in my past, because I make all of the mistakes, not in real estate, because I don't do real estate, but in the market, I made tons of mistakes. I make mistakes and I will, okay? So I talk in my videos about all the mistakes, and most of them, I did all these mistakes. Okay, so if you have felt frustrated or stuck with these traditional investments, you are not alone. You are not alone. Instead of sinking time, energy, guys, the most valuable assets we have, there are two valuable assets, the most valuable. One, time. Two, energy. Our energetics are the most valuable assets. So instead of sinking time, energy, and massive capital into real estate or playing the stock market roller coaster, like, what if you could earn consistent cash flow with the fraction of the effort? Yeah, this is what I looked for in the past. And I created this strategy, this method, because I was looking for something could have worked for me, because I was busy. I am busy. I don't want to stay hours a day, okay, analyzing charts. It's not for me. Okay, probably you are not in this situation. Again, if you trade and if you live trading in the market and you love it and you have good results, good for you. Do that. Okay, but in my experience, the 99% of people don't love that, don't have time. You have probably, if you watch this video, you are not a professional trader, so you have your own business, your own job, your family, you have a busy life, you are busy. Okay, so, and I was too, and that's why I looked for a method, a professional method that allowed me to invest in the market, but with just 1 hour, couple of hours a month. So I teach this strategy that allows you collect monthly rental-like income from the financial markets without owning a property or taking wild risks in stocks. Okay, guys, consider it just like a business. You invest some money and you want more money from the money you invested, especially cash flow. A monthly cash flow, you can count on your own personal expenses to reinvest in the business, to reinvest in the market and having bigger cash flow. You want a stable income, okay? So this is what you do when you start a business. Either if it's a physical business, shop, a restaurant, or an online business, or you have created money through a vehicle like a business, and you want to earn more money from this money and make your money work like told in another video, like your employees that work for you 24/7 and generate more money from that while you do what you love, you do your job, your business, your project. Okay, so I teach this strategy, and it's based on proven, predictable methods that prioritize control and risk while delivering steady cash flow every month. This is also for beginners, for those who, yes, invest, but maybe only with a bank, with funds, bonds, it doesn't matter. Just a little bit of experience, but not so into investment. Okay, it's perfect for beginners. Let's go like this. Think of it like this. Instead of being a landlord dealing with tenants, imagine renting your money to the market for short periods. Okay, just like a 1 month average. So every month you get paid upfront, just like collecting rent. And if you don't like the tenants, with just one click, you can fire him. Okay, so the difference: no broken pipes, no late night calls, no need to chase anyone for payments and waste time and energy for all of these things. The income comes straight to you, hassle free. This is what I wanted. Okay, that is a financial instrument that let us create this strategy. There are a lot of strategies, okay, that could be done, but I teach how to focus on one strategy because it's simple, it's easier. Okay, then if you like it, you can add other strategies once you are profitable. Okay, and these financial instruments are called options, and I love them. I really in love with options because I think they are the most powerful financial instrument ever created for retail people. So just from the end of the 90s, options could be available for retail people. Okay, so just 25 years, more or less. So it's nothing, considering that the financial market will be here forever. Okay, so this is the most powerful financial instrument because it let us invest with different strategies. I'll go deep in this financial instrument because I want you to know, and only few people know about that and know how to use them. And I want you to be aware that this financial instrument exists and there are lots of possibilities, strategies, and you can create the strategy that fit yourself. If you have no time, if you want a cash flow strategy, for example, this is what I teach because I had no time and I wanted a cash flow, a monthly cash flow, okay, with no time or just 1 hour, a couple of hours a month. So that's why I studied it for years. I have been studying for years, testing. I've made a lot of mistakes, tons of mistakes. I paper account, I lost money trying to do that experiment until I created this system. Okay, so, and that's why I want to teach people, but not with a course. Okay, because course, guys, how many courses you have bought and what were the results? Okay, so in a 1-1, I teach this in a 1-1 coaching program done with you. So we create based on your plan, on your goals, on your financial situation, on your risk management, or if you are more risk averse, if you want to risk a little bit more. So we can create a plan that fit your personality, your desires, what you want, and we create a plan together, okay, to reach your goals. So here's a funny thought. If real estate was so stress-free, okay, because this video is about real estate and stocks. If real estate was so stress-free, why do most landlords dream about selling their properties once they retire? This is one question. And I know it's maybe unpopular, unconventional. Nobody, probably you haven't thought about that. And if stocks were so predictable, just a couple of questions for you. If stocks were so predictable, would we all be billionaires by now? Wouldn't we? So you might be thinking, okay, isn't just another form of investing with risks? Okay, it's a great question, okay, because every investment has a risk. You lose some, you win more. So this is the investment world. Okay, so the goal is to win more than when we lose. There are always risks with any investment, but the key difference is that this system is built on controlled risk management. You cannot control everything. You cannot control 100%, but you can invest with a strategy that is as small risk control as possible. You cannot control everything, but you set the terms, not the market. So unlike real estate or businesses, you don't need hundreds of thousands to start. In fact, most of my students start with just 10,000 euro, 15, 20,000 euro, okay? And are now earning consistent monthly returns. Okay, so think about the money you need to invest in real estate, to invest in a business, okay? And here you can invest, consider it like a business, but with just 10,000 euro, 15, 20,000 euro, okay, to start, to have consistent monthly returns from month number one. It's fast, okay? And we like it, okay? We like fast cash into our pockets. Okay, so here's what makes this strategy so powerful. It requires minimal capital compared to other businesses or real estate. It's time efficient. We are busy, we have a busy life. So just 30 minutes a month. It's low stress. No tenants, no market roller coasters to worry about. Probably you are already stressed from your business, your life, lots of things in your mind, okay? We don't want other stress added. Okay, so low stress, because like I told you before, the two most valuable assets we have, they are time and energy, because we live our busy life and we are not aware of that. We don't pay attention to these two most valuable assets, okay? And most importantly, it's predictable. So cash flow, you can count every single month, okay? Of course, not 100%, like I told you before, it's impossible, but as more predictable as possible. So if you are tired of traditional investments and ready to learn a smarter way to generate cash flow, I would love to help you. Okay, so book a free consultation call with me. Today, book it. It's free. So we talk about your goals, your specific situation, and I'll show you how this strategy can transform your wealth into a steady monthly income stream. Click the link below or email me at coaching1to1withlou@gmail.com to get started. So share this video, like, subscribe, tell me what you think in the comments, and let's build your financial freedom together. Peace.